Have you ever wondered what Ethereum is and why it matters? Imagine a world where currency isn't controlled by governments or banks, but by the people who use it. That's the world Ethereum is helping to create. Ethereum is a type of blockchain technology similar yet distinct from Bitcoin. While Bitcoin is a digital currency, Ethereum is much more. It's a platform that allows developers to build and run their own applications right on the blockchain. Central to Ethereum's design is its decentralized nature. Unlike traditional systems, there's no single controlling authority. Instead, thousands of computers around the world work together to maintain and secure the network. But what truly sets Ethereum apart is its ability to execute smart contracts. Self-executing contracts with the terms directly written into code. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for online transactions and agreements. So let's dive deeper into the world of Ethereum and discover why it has become such a key player in the crypto universe. Now that we know what Ethereum is, you might be wondering, what can you do with it? The answer to that question is almost as vast as the internet itself. Ethereum is not just an alternative to traditional currency, it's also a platform that enables developers to build and deploy decentralized applications, or dApps. These applications run on a peer-to-peer network of computers, avoiding the control and censorship that can come with central servers. In other words, no single entity has the power to take these applications down or dictate how they should work, but that's not all. Ethereum also offers something called smart contracts. These are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into lines of code. They automatically execute transactions without needing a third party, which means they're fast, efficient, and cut out the need for middlemen. Now let's talk about Ethereum as a store of value. With traditional banking systems, your money is held by a bank. If that bank fails, your money could be at risk. But with Ethereum, your funds are stored in a decentralized system. This means that even if part of the network goes down, your money is safe. But how does Ethereum make all these applications secure? Well, it's all thanks to its blockchain technology. Each transaction on the Ethereum network is recorded on a public ledger or blockchain. This ledger is maintained by many computers around the world, each holding a copy of the entire blockchain. This makes it incredibly difficult for anyone to alter past transactions, ensuring the integrity and security of the network. In a nutshell, Ethereum is more than just a digital currency. It's an entire ecosystem that allows for the creation of decentralized applications, the execution of smart contracts, and a secure store of value. Clearly, Ethereum offers much more than just a digital currency, it's a whole ecosystem. But why does Ethereum matter? Why should you care about it? You may find yourself asking these questions. Well, Ethereum has essentially revolutionized the technology and finance sectors with its innovative features. It's like the secret sauce in the world's financial recipe, adding a unique and potent flavor. Ethereum is not just a cryptocurrency, it's a platform that enables developers to build and deploy smart contracts and decentralized applications. This has opened up a plethora of opportunities for innovation and advancement. Furthermore, Ethereum is a major player in the DeFi, or decentralized finance movement. This means it's breaking down financial barriers and providing opportunities for financial inclusivity and freedom that were previously unheard of. It's creating a world where the unbanked can have access to financial services, and where transactions are transparent, secure, and free from the control of any central authority. So, Ethereum isn't just important, it's a game changer. In conclusion, Ethereum is a groundbreaking technology with far-reaching implications. Remember, it's not just another cryptocurrency. It's a platform built on blockchain technology, a decentralized ledger that ensures security and transparency. It's a system that's designed to eliminate the need for middlemen and to give power back to the people. Ethereum's uses are vast and varied. It's the backbone of smart contracts, enabling transactions to be automatically executed when certain conditions are met. It's the foundation of decentralized finance, or DeFi, offering a more inclusive and accessible financial system. Its importance cannot be overstated. Ethereum has the potential to disrupt traditional industries, to reshape the world of finance, and to catalyze a new wave of technological innovation. So when you hear the word Ethereum, think beyond the buzz. Ethereum is more than just a buzzword. It's a new way of interacting with the digital world. Now, you know why you should care.